Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, not a terrible day, not a great day, just a consolidation day. Although I will say that one of these levels has really, made itself that much more apparent, and that area is right up here at, what is that? Basically 21 cents. You can see that, going into the day, it made sense to think that, maybe this level will be a level of resistance because that's where it got rejected back there on Friday. But then you look at this morning, and that's once again right where it got rejected again. So, I'm not saying that this is a level that's impossible to break or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price continues to get rejected at that area. And that moving forward, that is certainly going to be one of those levels that if there is going to be any sort of return back up into the 30s and beyond, that is, public enemy number one right now, that key battleground that will need to be broken. So definitely continue to watch 21 cents if there is any sort of attempted, movement back to the upside here. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, now moving forward, first key area to watch continues to be right there around that 17-cent mark, which held up several times on Friday. You can see Friday held strong, and that's probably poor color choice. Let's try another. So right there, Friday held strong. And then again, this morning, opening 30 minutes, price came down there, and once again, that level held strong. So 17 cents, a very important level that you would want to see act as support. And again, after today's, that 30 minutes, not only would you want to see it act as support, it did hold as support. So a nice little sign of strength in and of itself there. And then the other reason why that level is very important is, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if that level were not to hold up, then yeah, it's not unrealistic to think that this thing could very well come down to that 14.5-cent mark, if not even lower than that. But as of now, so far so good. That level has held. But again, if there is going to be any sort of continued momentum to the upside, it's all about that 21-cent mark. So let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.